Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we are back with another video. So today's video is an install sponsored by RPGSHOW Hair. Y'all, this unit is everything. I'm giving y'all fall hair, I'm giving y'all chocolate, I'm giving it all. RPGSHOW did not come to play. When I tell y'all this install took me literally no time, do you see the lace? Because personally I can't find it. The lace, the hair quality, the color, the cap, everything. RPGSHOW put their all into this one wig right here. I don't know about the others, but this one, mine, yeah, we on lock. We here. If you guys want the details on this exact unit and you want to see the full install process, y'all already know. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never want myself.
Okay, this is my first time working with them. I have always wanted to work with RPGSHOW Hair. I have always wanted to get a wig from them, and now we're here. First things first, I know there's some quality hair in here because the packaging, like, there's a box up in here, okay? I am very excited to unbox this wig and install it today, so I guess we can just go ahead and unbox it. But you know how you feel before you open something, like you don't want to take the packaging off? It's new, you just want to keep like this for a little bit. Like, that's how I'm feeling, but we have to put the wig on, so let's unbox her. Oh my goodness. It's what I expected. The packaging is divine. I'm gonna take the wig out first and we can get into some of the little goodies that they sent me. So first things first, I see we have a wax stick. Very cute. We have some wig caps that are actually, these are actually my skin tone. You mean tell me I don't have to tip the wig cap? Usually whenever I get sent wig caps, either they're way too light for me or way too dark for me. But I've never gotten a wig cap that was literally like a decent match before. This is, I don't even want to use these. Thanks y'all. See, y'all looked at my skin tone and y'all were like, okay, yeah, this makes sense. We here. This is always my favorite gift. We have a wig band. It's long, child. Very excited to use this. And then, this is the first. They sent your girl a little magazine. A whole magazine? We love Black owned, okay? This didn't do nothing but give. And then, oh wow, this is so smart. They sent me a wig bag. So this is great for travel. Like, I love these. Beautiful. Love it. I will definitely be storing my good old RPGSHOW wig up in here. And last but not least, of course, we have a little letter. Perfect. We have all the details on here so I can give them to y'all. We have all of the socials right here, a little thank you message. Y'all, so far the experience has been 10 out of 10. I love good packaging. We're starting off really well. I'm keeping this box. All right, so now we can get into the wig. Gorgeous. I knew it was gonna hit. I knew. I picked it out and I was like, yeah, this is her. Y'all know I love a brown wig. This is giving me flashbacks to my hair VV video. I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can see. Okay, I'm gonna take her out the back. When I tell y'all, this is a dream. This is one of the most beautiful wigs I have received in a long time. Like, it come pre-curled. Are you serious? Y'all, look at this lace. This, my loves, is HD lace. Where is it? Like, I literally can't see it on my hand already. The hair, amazing quality, pre-curled. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like a really deep black brown to ombre chocolate. This is fall hair. This is fall hair. So this is a 13x6 glueless lace front wig, 200% density, tinted transparent Swiss lace in medium brown. Length is 20 inches, texture is silky, and hair color is like the picture. For cap size, I got a size 2, which is a 22.5 inch to a 23 inch, but they also offer a size 1, which I think is like 21 to 22. I also wanted to show y'all the cap construction. So this is the cap from the inside out. You see we have a great amount of lace space. We have one comb here, one comb here, of course another comb here. We have our piano key adjustment straps right here, and last but not least, an adjustable wig band, which I love, need them in all of my wigs. Really cute, says RPGSHOW on it, and it's like a bra strap kind of adjustment. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the smallest loop. Thanks. I love a good wig, and this is it. Yes, this is it. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. We're gonna have to get into it. Let's go. All right, so I went ahead and tinted the lace just a little bit, but didn't have to do much because I already know it's about to disappear. So let's put her on. And she fits. We have a nice amount of lace space. Yeah, we are ready. So now I'm just going to grab a claw clip and we're gonna clip the hair back so we can start cutting our earpieces. And boom, take our clip out. And we're just gonna get out any hair that we cut off. And now we have our perfect earpieces. One thing I love about this wig, besides the amazing lace, is that it comes really nicely pre-plucked. So there's literally no extra work that I need to do. Now we're just gonna get straight into gluing. I'm just gonna grab a brush and I'm going to brush the hair back and out of the way, and then I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna grab the wax stick that they gave me, and this came in perfect time because I actually needed a new wax stick, so thank you. And I'm just gonna wax some of the hairs back at the hairline, that way they don't fall forward and get glued. And I love how tiny this is because I literally can put this in my purse and use it on the go. Like when I'm out and about and my flyaways start to get irritated, like, this is so cute and tiny. Love it. Okay, now that our hairs are out the way, I'm gonna take my RPGSHOW wig band and just tie it around the hair. And I'm just doing this so I can keep the hair in place while I glue. It just makes it a little bit easier for me when I'm ready to put the wig on. Right, I'm just gonna roll my lace back. And for this install, I'm just gonna be using some lace wig adhesive spray. I don't wanna use strong glue because honestly, the wig doesn't really need it. This lace is super thin, super easy to melt. I don't need to use a super harsh glue to get it to stick where it needs to stay. This will definitely be enough. And I honestly am starting to prefer spray glue because it's just a lot safer on my hair and my edges. It's just a lot more gentle. So now that the glue is nice and tacky, I'm just gonna pull my wig on. And we're just gonna work in sections. So we're gonna do the middle first, and then we're gonna do the side, and then we're gonna do the other side. While I'm holding them in place, I'm gonna start taking a brush and just pushing the bristles into the lace. That way the lace can be pushed into the glue and we can start our drying process. This also helps to ensure that the hair is glued down nice and straight and not all like messy and curled and all of that. And as you can see, I'm holding the lace down as I'm doing this. That way my lace doesn't come up. I'm now gonna take a comb and do the same thing. I just like to take my fingers and press the lace into the glue like that as well. And once I'm sure that it's dried down enough, I'm going to bring back out my wig band and we're gonna secure our lace. And now we wait. All right, we're ready to take this off. Y'all look at this. Yeah, I think it's time to cut the lace, don't you? So now I'm gonna bring out an eyebrow razor and some scissors. Make a cut right in the middle of the lace and then get to work. Now that my lace is cut, I am going to go over and re-glue any pieces that did not originally get glued down. I'm gonna bring back out my spray adhesive and I'm just gonna spray some directly on the lace. Just a little bit. Press it in with my fingers first. Make sure you get those earpieces because they be stubborn. I'm just gonna press that in, press that in. Same thing on this side. And the top of the lace as well. Let it dry down just a little bit, and we're going to use the end of the comb to push down those unglued pieces of lace. And now we're going to put our wig band back on. And now we're ready to take it back off. So now our next step is to actually melt our lace. That was just gluing, honey. And like, yeah, we already look pretty good, but we can always look better, you know? So I'm gonna take some holding spritz and we are going to melt. And last time, I promise. Just gonna comb the hair out just a little bit, and I'm gonna bring out a razor again and just do some light layering. All right, I just always think like a little bit of layering just makes everything look so much better, especially with curls. Yeah, it's giving voluminous. So now I'm gonna bring out my hot comb and we are going to work on this hairline and the top of her head. And our lace is officially melted to the gods, honey. I'm gonna bring out my cute little wax stick and apply that right on top of the lace. And then of course on the part as well, and the crown of the head. And we're gonna go to work. And boom, hairline is all the way together. Now I'm going to bring out a small brush and some cream foundation, and we're gonna get this part together. All right, and we are done. Yeah, quick and easy, flawless install. RPG girl, you and I, we need to talk. Okay, we have much to discuss. Yeah, I am absolutely in love. I think this is gonna be my fall go-to. Y'all gonna see me in this every day. I'm absolutely in love with how this install turned out. First of all, the color is to die for. I absolutely adore it. The lace is amazing. I'm having trouble finding it. The hair quality is amazing. The fact that it comes pre-curled, divine. Like, I have all the synonyms in the world for this wig. And I think the length is really nice too. They say it's 20 inches, but it feels like a long 20 inches. Like, this is definitely giving me like 22, 24. This is 20? You mean 2 inches longer than 18? I don't know. All I know is that, child, you order a 20 inch, it look like a 22, and I'm fine with that. Ain't never had no problem with the wig being longer than I expected, so thank you. What else can I say? The wig is comfortable. There are times where if a wig is like too big, where it lands on my ears will be extremely uncomfortable. Like, it'll maybe come over or it'll be pressing like on this part of my ear, super uncomfortable, but that's not happening. Like, the wig is a little big on me just because I ordered a medium, which is their size too. But sometimes I'm afraid of ordering a small just because I don't want the wig to be too small, because then you won't have enough lace space and it's just a nightmare. Like, my personal advice is to always go with the bigger size. If you're unsure of whether or not to get a small or a medium, baby, get a medium. You can always work with a wig that is a little bit too big, but working with a wig that is too small is just, I don't wish that on my worst enemy, child. And what it is I think I am in between. Like, I think I'm a schmedium in wigs, okay? Which is fine. I'm a schmedium in real life anyway. I'm a small medium, so it's okay. Yeah, like I said, it's comfortable. It feels secure. This adjustable wig band back here is working, honey. Like, this wig is not going nowhere. And now that I've cut the lace, next time I wear it, I can wear this glueless, which I absolutely love. So yeah, quick and easy install. Typically, like, when installs are this easy, this seamless, and they don't really give me that much trouble, it just goes to show the quality of the wig and the quality of the company. This is my first time trying an RPGSHOW unit, and safe to say, I am pleased. 10 out of 10, 10, 10, 10 across the board, 5 stars, all of it. I'm definitely adding RPGSHOW to my list of favorite wig companies. The quality is obvious. Don't even gotta say too much, but I'll say a lot. Y'all know, I'm gonna say it all, but you don't have to say too much, okay? So y'all see, I didn't even do no baby hairs. I don't like baby hairs. I like it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. I like just like that clean, slicked back look anyway, especially because I like to wear my hair back usually, or at least behind my ears. And this is a behind your ears wig. Yes, it is. Let me give y'all the details one last time before I get up out of here. I'm about to go take some pictures. Okay, so this wig is RPGSHOW's 13x6 glueless lace front wig, 200% density. The lace I received is a tinted, transparent Swiss lace in color medium brown. The cap size is a size 2, so that's 22.5 inches to 23 inches. The hair color is like the picture that I have up for y'all right here. The length is 20 inches, but baby, she's giving 22, 24, and the texture is silky. I will have all of the details down below in the bio for you. I'm never gatekeeping on a wig, like, ever. Especially a wig this nice, we all deserve. Y'all know me, I'm finna put my girls on. I will also have all of the products that I use to achieve this look down below in the bio as well. It's going to be within my Amazon storefront titled Wig Kit Essentials. What else? What else? What else? What else? I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to be on camera for a little bit longer because I know I look good. But I can let y'all go. I guess y'all can leave. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sending me this unit. I am in love. They're my new bestie. RPGSHOW, if y'all didn't know, we're besties now. That's literally how it works. It's you and me, girl. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave me a like. And also comment what you think about this unit. As always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials. All right, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl, Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will never be